Most contractors don't choose software based on what is best. They choose based on what they hear first. And here's the truth no one tells you. The right software is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches your actual workflow. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison between Leap Software and Jobber, so you can decide which one fits your business better. Let's get straight into it. Both tools help contractors manage their business, but they are designed for completely different purposes. Leap is built for sales and estimating. Jobber is built for general service business operations, like scheduling, invoicing, and customer management. Now here's where it gets interesting. Choosing between them is not about features. It is about what part of your business needs the most improvement right now. Let's break it down simply. First, Leap. Leap focuses heavily on helping contractors close deals faster. It allows you to create professional estimates quickly, present options to customers, and streamline the sales process. So if Alex runs a roofing company and spends a lot of time meeting homeowners, Leap helps him turn those meetings into signed contracts faster. It is built for sales performance. But here's the problem. Leap is not designed to manage your entire business operations in detail after the sale. It is more focused on the front end. Now, let's talk about Jobber. Jobber is designed for day-to-day operations. It helps you manage scheduling, invoices, customer communication, and job tracking in a simple system. So if Jake runs a small service business like roofing maintenance or home services, Jobber helps him stay organized without complexity. Everything from booking to payment is in one place. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is about simplicity and organization, while Leap is about speed and closing deals. Let's make it even clearer. Leap helps you win more jobs. Jobber helps you manage those jobs efficiently after you win them. But here's the key mistake most contractors make. They try to pick one tool to solve every problem in their business. That usually leads to frustration because each tool has a different purpose. Now here's a practical way to think about it. If your biggest challenge is not closing enough deals, or your estimates are too slow, Leap is a strong choice. If your biggest challenge is staying organized, scheduling work, and managing customers, Jobber is more suitable. Now here's the insight most people miss. A simple system that your team actually uses will always outperform a powerful system that no one fully understands. So, to wrap it up, Leap is best for improving sales and closing rates in roofing and contracting. Jobber is best for simplifying operations and keeping your service business organized. If you understand this difference, you stop guessing and start choosing based on your real business bottleneck. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business type so I can recommend the right setup for you, and subscribe for more simple software comparisons that help you make smarter business decisions.